Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable two-factor authentication on Discord. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now you can go ahead and do this one on your phone or computer. So first up, go ahead and open up Discord. Now click on User Settings. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and go to the left panel. And then go ahead and find Password and Security under Account. Okay? Just go ahead and click on it. I'm going to go ahead and disable a streamer mode. I'm sorry. Again, Account, Password, and Security. And you'll be able to see multi-factor authentication. So as you can see here, mine is currently enabled. Now I'll go ahead and click on it. There'll be Authenticator app, SMS Authenticator. Well, all you got to do is just click on remove and follow simple prompts. All right. I'm not going to do it because I want my Discord, of course, to be secured. That's basically it. That's how easy it is to disable two-factor authentication on Discord. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.